You guys know what I just realized? A couple videos ago, as you know, I flushed the whole clutch fluid because my car, as you know, it was having problems with the clutch. It's right now we're at a standstill. It's good. It's not making any noise anymore. So that I think we fixed it. I think we actually fixed it. So that's 3 good things. We don't need a clutch. We don't need a master cylinder or a new slave cylinder. Are we gonna do it one more time? We're at a standstill. Let's see if it. Let's see. Okay, we're here. Okay, first gear. Let's go. And we good. Yes, 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 yes. That's so funny.
That's like, I gotta call him to check.
Yeah, I'm like alright, this is super unplanned. I was all the way back there, like way back there, and he's all the way over there, and he heard me randomly two-stepping. That is so funny.
Alright, you ready?
Yep. Ooh, that's something nice to listen to after work. But there's one bad thing about this, alright? I've been driving this car way too much. Like, you know, when you're like, alright, I'm putting more miles in the car way too quick. That's me right now. So it's not good. Not good, not good, my friend. I don't know if you can hear that, but my exhaust is banging on the subframe. It is rattling. Urgh, that is so annoying. Yo, what's up with all these trucks, dude? God, it's so hot, dude. Yo, look at the Z fam right over there. Let's go.
2 hours later.
I guess it's sort of a bad thing that sucks about driving when your car's tuned, or just daily driving it, however you want to say it. Your miles per gallon sort of goes down. Right now it's 18. Not but it says 18.5 because I recently drove on the highway, but let's face it, it's not gonna be 18.5. I think I lost about, I would say, 2 miles to the gallon. I was normally like at 19, 20. Now I'm like at 18, 17. So could be a bad thing, could not be. Honestly, the pops and banks makes up for it. You want to pop some banks? Well, now that's what happens. All right, y'all, I really want to talk to you guys about daily driving this car now that it's tuned. I made a video of, I think it's called, so you want to tune your 370z, G37, G35, 350. Now kind of like how it feels to daily drive it. Ooh, look at that G, I see you. BQ37 gang. Yo, it is hot, guys. Feels like 90 degrees. One thing that I really, yeah, that's not gonna work, hold on. One thing that I really want to touch on that I've never heard anybody talk about is when you have your car tuned, your cold starts are not as loud as they were when the car wasn't tuned. You know how initially you'd start a car, it goes into the higher RPMs, then it goes back down and gets really loud. When you tune it, it kind of stays at the higher RPMs louder, and by the time it comes down to that nice like idle state of cold start where it's really loud, it's not as loud. That could honestly either be a good thing or a bad thing. Just depends how you look at it. For me, it's a bad thing. Not to my neighbors. They're loving life, living life, sleeping in. It's great for them. It's great for them. The car also revs way different. Look at this. Oh, no, 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 that's a cop. Is that a cop? We're not gonna do it again. We're not. All right, so we're actually gonna get out of here. There's another cop, and yeah, I'm getting out of here. That's not good. Oh no, now we got a cop behind me, bruh. This is just no good. Oh my god. What I was trying to show you guys is the car revs so much different and so much quicker. Like, let me just try to give you an example. This is me going from third to second. Look how fast the RPMs and how different the car sounds. Another thing that sadly happens, I don't think it's very common, but it does happen. And I know this because it's happened to a couple of you guys, and you've told me, you've DM'd me and warned me about it, and I'm like, wow, thank you, I did not know that. If you run on your flame map way too often, your oil galley gaskets, which are right in the front right there, can actually go bad. And that's just a headache. Your car's gonna run weird. It's not gonna be putting up as much power as it should. It sucks, it's a pain. Let me check my catch cans. Are they full? Ooh, there's a little. Oh my god, it's hot. It's hot. Oh my gosh, that's one thing I hate about the catch cans. They're so hot. There's a little bit of oil in there though. See the second one. Not too much. And I don't really want it to sound like I'm making it like a horrible thing to tune your car. It's amazing. It's completely amazing. I highly recommend it. But that's just things that I learned after I tuned it. That I do have to be careful with. Everybody has to be careful with, doesn't matter what tuner you have. But I mean, I think for the gaskets to go bad, you gotta be like two-stepping, popping, just like every day, all day. So basically when you first get your tune, yeah. I feel like I haven't done a vlog like this in forever. Audio's probably gonna be horrible. So I'm just gonna talk, so I'm just gonna drive and minimal talking. Just a normal 370, like it's not crazy with it, but then you get on it, look how fast that revs. You guys see that C8 all the way over there? Like right there. I just realized in this one video, I think I've worn 3 different shirts. How to make a quick pit stop at home. I'm in school, you guys already know. Gonna go ahead and off to this video right here. But yeah, you can daily drive it. It's basically the same thing, just more fun. I personally don't really like to do it though, because I don't know, I just don't like putting a lot of miles into the car, so it's not even related to the tune. Yeah, you can daily drive it. It's reliable. Peace out, boys. I'm gonna end today's video. Gotta get to class. I'm actually late. Peace out, boys. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Peace out. How sick this car looks right now. Man, I love this car. I love it. And it's been with it for so long, man. It's been like over 3 years since we've been together, Brittany. It's crazy.